So hello guys, welcome back. Today we are riding my new bike, the RSV4 RR 2016, a pre-RSV4 basically. So let's go. This bike has a lot of aftermarket parts. So yeah, let's ride and continue. And the quick shifter on this bike are crazy. I love this bike. As many of guys know, I was selling my RSV4. I used to own a RSV4. First of all, 2014 model RSV4R. And the reason why I sold it because I'm on the factory. And then you are going to ask me why I didn't bought the factory. And it's so easy on this bike. My shoe tension on the road. So yeah, many of you guys are going to ask me why I bought this bike over why I bought the RR and why I didn't get the factory or RF basically. Because the last bike I sold it because of the RF. The reason is very simple, because I was getting very sweet deal on the RR and the mileage was way less. I was looking for the RF also. It was same 2016 model and the mileage was way higher than this one, and he was asking almost $5,000 extra compared to what I paid for this bike. So of course, if I'm not going to pay $5,000 with more mileage and with less accessories on the bike for the factory. On this bike, on the 2016 model, the only difference on the difference between the factory and the RR is all-in suspension. I don't get the all-in suspension front and back, and all-in stamper, which is track I think, and I don't get the forged wheels. The rest all things are same. Motor is same, swing arm is same, chassis is same. I cannot go swing arm up and down, that's it. I don't want to go up and down on the swing arm first of all. That's the difference I can think about it right now. Engine is same, airbox is same. I know the previous generation airbox was not same. The previous generation factory and our airbox was completely different. Factory has a little bit more down power and the top end and a little bit better electronics too. But the electronics are same. Both are exact same electronic on the factory. And let's say even if I want to convert this one to RF, it's very easy. I'm not going to spend $5,000. I'm hardly going to spend $3,000. I can get the $1,000 for the second-hand all-in suspension. Let's say $2,000 for the second-hand front and back all-in suspension, and all-in suspension with the staying damper and brand new forged wheels, which is going to cost you $1,700. So hardly you're going to spend $4,000 on that, and still you're saving $1,000 and less mileage on the bike. So yeah, but anyone is going to choose RR. And even in the RR, the suspension is not that bad. The traction suspension is very good for the street and even for track. Even if you want to use for track use, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. You can use it, you know. So yeah, a lot of people will think, wow, I'm crazy, why I bought the RSV4 in the desert. This bike is super duper hot running bike. And the reason is, man, this platform is completely different. The V4 power, the V4 sound, holy crap, it's so goddamn light, nimble. I will talk to you of the signal. say if I want to open it, just listen that V4 rolling, man. It rolls like anything. And the quick shifter, holy crap, man, it's amazing. It's so fucking smooth in this model. And on the 2016, the motor is completely different now from the old generation. It was 201 bhp. It feels so goddamn nimble. What I love about this bike compared to other ones, it's, let's say if I want to do like this, I can do it. It's so effortless. You don't have to put any effort on it. On other bikes you have to push your leg, you have to put the body down. Here, I can do this for all days. This bike can take corners for days. It can take corners for days. It's so goddamn easy on this bike. It's so track focused and so nimble and so powerful. It's not slow at all, especially this motor 2016 is so much stronger than the old generation. So much power. So yeah, and the handle position is amazing. This bike is comfortable, it's not bad at all. You're sitting way higher, way upper. Let's say a lot of bikes you sit in it, this bike is sitting on it. To drive the old ZX, the 2011 to 2015 model, you are sitting in the bike, you know, you are sitting inside the bike. This bike, its completely sitting position is way up, but it's, for me, I'm 6 foot, it's way more comfortable for me. Hand position, and first of all you get the Brembo brakes front and back, the electronics, it's crazy on this bike. It's so much electronics on this bike. There's one more thing. Let's say, okay, I'm going to shift one more time. I'm in 5th gear, okay, I have a 4500 rpm around, okay. Drive any bike 1000cc, and this low rpm, the bike is completely dead. After 6-7,000 rpm, the bike power comes on. Just see how I do it. Holy crap, I'm in 5th gear. It should not do that. In 5th gear, it feels like I'm in 3rd gear. It's pulling so hard. It's so much torqueier, man. So much torqueier. Holy crap, man. The V4, it should not do that. It's so much powerful. That's what I love about the V4. The character of the engine is so different, so unique. It's so goddamn unique. The sound is unique. Everything about this bike is so unique. I love this bike. I love this bike. A lot of people say it's overheat, it's blah 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 blah. It's not made for desert. No, man. It's overheat, I agree. In traffic, of course, stop and go, it will overheat. Any bike will overheat. But otherwise, this bike, the only flaw I can think about it is overheating. That's it, man. This bike is so nimble. That's the thing. The pointing, I said. So this is my new bike, RS-V4 RR. It has a RF body kit. The previous owner put it. So even, let's say if I want to upgrade to RF, this model, if I want to convert it to RF, it's very easy to do it. Man, this bike looks badass, especially the tail section. It looks so goddamn badass. It looks so good. I hope you enjoyed my video. I tried to record this video almost 3 times. Sometimes the microphone fails, sometimes the camera is wrong setting. So this is my third attempt to record this video. I hope the audio is good, the video quality is good, and you can see the view first of all. So I'm going to end my video right here. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, take care, ride safe.